And I check the spine here. I'm Dr. Brian Kerner. I'm a doctor of chiropractic. Been in practice since 1993 here in the Bay Area, and I specialize in the neuromusculoskeletal conditions of the body and helping people be well without relying on drugs or having surgery. We're open Monday through Friday, primarily 9 to 6, and we see people by appointment, and occasionally we'll see people on call. I incorporate therapies such as heat and ice, ultrasound, forms of physical therapy, also using modalities like massage, manual therapy, myofascial release, traction, different things to augment what's called a chiropractic adjustment, which is what we specialize in primarily. Most people come in with an ache or a pain. They're not coming in saying, I want to feel optimally healthy. Once in a while that'll happen. They're an athlete and they want to be best at their sport. But primarily people come in with like either neck pain or back pain or headaches, or if they've been in a car accident or work injury, some type of trauma, and they come in wanting to feel better quicker. Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Good. I'm Dr. Brian Kerner. Nice to meet you. It's a
Nice
pleasure.
to meet you.
I'm going to do an evaluation. A typical visit would be, well, of course, the exam, consultation. Occasionally we'll take x-rays to rule some things out and also see some areas I couldn't tell otherwise. But we'll include a surface electromyograph evaluations, which is a computerized test. And then, assuming we can help the person, is to have them relax on the table. Often we use these supportive blocks under their pelvis, pillows. Also, we do therapies like moist heat, and then muscle work, whether it be using a thumper massager, as well as hands-on massage and traction. And then the specific adjustment, which can be anywhere from a higher force technique, which is using hands, and sometimes you'll hear a popping sound. Another technique is using instruments that do very gentle adjustments without any popping or twisting. It's a very gentle technique, and sometimes I've worked with big, professional athletes that like more heavier techniques too, so I kind of vary it depending on what people need. I've been here 16 years, and we have different celebrities come into town, and for whatever reason they'll call my office occasionally. Michael Stipe from REM signed a picture for me. It's important, a lot of these celebrities and actors and musicians really value chiropractic because they don't like to, again, take drugs, and they want their bodies to be as optimally healthy as possible. I've also implemented new patient workshops where we go over various things about their health, pressure point therapy, stress management, ergonomic evaluations that we do. I even go to their workplace sometimes and do various workspace evaluations to help them at their workspace to make sure that they're in the right position. I've seen anywhere from billionaires, multi-billionaires, to students that didn't even have a job, so it really just varies the kinds of people that I see, and they're all important, of course, because they want to be well and stay well.